Hi, my name is Wyatt. I'm this year's Cardinal Manufacturing Production Manager, and we're very excited to show you this last year's shop improvements. Side of the shop, we got new tin, we repainted the walls, and we got a new shop door. This is all made possible by community member volunteers, students, and the school district. This last year we've spent improving the inside of the shop from really the top to the bottom. We repainted the ceilings, we got new steel, and we repainted the blocks, and then refinished the floors. We also repainted all the machines to be white, and we got new windows, and it's brightened the shop up a lot. We'd like to thank Ron Wannick from Ashley Furniture for funding all the shop projects on the inside. And we'd like to also thank the students that helped with it and community members that helped. So this is another one of our recent shop improvements. It's a welding table that was made by the students in our applied engineering class, and then it was taken to the welders. They put it together, and really it's more storage for our welding equipment and more mobile so that our welders can walk around the shop, and it just helps them out in the process. So this is our welding area. As you can see, we replaced the ventilation systems. We also replaced the top of these tables from a very thin sheet of metal to now it's a 1/4 inch. And we also replaced these screens to match our overall scheme of the shop to make it look really organized and clean. And then we also had new windows put in place, and as you can see, it brings in more natural light and makes it just a much brighter shop. Another one of our shop improvements this last year was this wood and metal rack. It was designed by the UW-Madison Department of Engineering, and they sent the plans to us. Our students then fabricated and welded it together, and then Scott's Auto Body then painted it. It's storage for metal, and then sheet metal and plywood, and then over here is for our welding material. Overall, just helps in the organization of our shop. In the wood shop this year, we have again just stuck to the color scheme, repainted the machines, repainted the benches, and from now on, we're gonna buy all of our tools red to fit the color scheme. These benches, as you can see in the back, were fabricated, made, and designed again by our engineering class. Over the summer, we actually refinished all of the benches. We put 3/4 inch plywood on top and stained and put 3 layers of polyurethane on all of them. Here in the automotive area, we repainted everything to match the color scheme, red and white, and then we reorganized the hand tools over there. And then over here in the small engines, we repainted the benches and again just organized everything so it's just cleaner and easier and safer to work in. In the classroom area, we repainted to fit the color scheme once again, and then we're very happy to bring in everybody into the classrooms again, as it's just very exciting to be in the classrooms and actually able to learn better this year. We'd like to thank Ralph and Kaiser for this car that they donated to us. It's going to be basically a promotional car that we're going to take around to parades, car shows, just to promote our brand and our business. Students are going to start on it this year, and we're trying to get it done as soon as possible. So in the office here, we've again repainted the walls and just matched everything to our color scheme like every other classroom. At production manager, it's me. Office manager is Brady. The marketing manager is Grace. The project manager is Madison, and the engineer this year is Garrett Zimple. So again, we're just very excited to get to work and just start the new school year off strong. And so here at the Eleva-Strum Tech Ed Department and Cardinal Manufacturing, each year we strive to make continuous improvements to make this shop better. Throughout the years, we've had many supporters, and we'd like to thank and we very much appreciate all of their help. But on this wall, we've showcased our major supporters and people who've helped us through the years.